Ishita, I'm so fed up, yaar.
What happened?
I went to Jan Seva Kendra and I wanted my ration card to be made. I'd completed all my document, I submitted there, and they are saying that your documents are not complete. I think they are just making me run.
Oh, but did you read the guidelines and the laws on a ration?
Guidelines? Is it written somewhere?
Of course, all laws and these guidelines are written. So, all the guidelines related to ration, it's given under the law, National Food Security Act,
Oh.
which actually ensures that people who are in need get 5 kg ration. And your access to ration, by the way, is connected to your right to life, which is a fundamental right under the Constitution.
That's so great.
Yes. And you see, every aspect of our lives is connected to laws. You want to get married, there's a law. You want to get education for our children, there's a law, Right to Education Act. You want to get information from the government, there's a law. So, literally everywhere.
Wow.
Oh, come, I'll show you something.
You're showing me toothpaste.
Yes. You see? Can you see the MRP?
It's written there.
Yes. So that's for fair pricing. And can you also see that ingredients?
They're mentioned.
Yeah. So all this information is given because of the Consumer Protection Act, which says that you have the right to know everything. All these laws exist because our constitution gives us the rights that cannot be taken away.
Okay, that means there's a constitution and there are laws. I was thinking they are the same.
Well, they are connected, but they're not the same. Constitution is the fundamental law of the land, which forms the basis. It gives us values, it defines our rights, it tells the whole structure of the state, rule of law, and so on. So basically, to bring all this in action, we need laws.
Okay, Ishita, then do one thing. Please help me understand with an example.
I can do that. Well, imagine a tree.
Tree?
Yes.
What do you mean?
Trees have roots, right?
Okay.
So think of roots like our values of equality, justice, fraternity, liberty, right? Now these values guides us how to live. Based on these values, the whole constitution is standing. So trunk represents the whole constitutional framework. Rights, DPSP's role, functions of government, everything. And emerging from this trunk, we have these whole branches. Branches represent different laws like Manrega, Child Marriage Act, Right to Education Act, Right to Information Act, very many different laws, right? And the smaller details are like guidelines, government regulations, rules, notification. Imagine them like leaves of this tree.
Actually, you made it so easy to understand.
Yeah. And to conclude,
Okay.
without the constitution, laws will have no foundation. And without these laws, the constitution will not come alive in practice.
Truly said. Now I understand the importance of these laws, and I also feel that if we don't follow these laws, then society cannot function well. And as a citizen, we must know about these laws.
Yes. And there may be challenges in implementing these laws, right? But to act upon those challenges, first we have to engage with them. Yeah.
So, Ishita,
Yeah.
can you do one more thing?
Yes.
I mean, is there any website or something where I can find all these laws?
Of course, Praveen, there's one website, official website, indiacode.nic. Should I show it to you?
Yeah, please.
Okay. Just a simple Google search. You have to type indiacode.nic. Yeah. First link, India Code. This is how the whole homepage looks.
Okay.
Yeah. If you zoom, you can also see that there's a language option. So Hindi and English.
Let's keep English now.
Okay. Search button is here. We search. Now you have to type some keyword here to get the relevant law. So
what about food security?
Yeah, that may give us some result. Hey, yes. The National Food Security Act, a law which we've been talking about. Yeah. There's a view option.
Okay.
Click on the view option. Then here you can see the PDF of the act in both the languages, right? And section and everything is given here.
Yes.
So you can just click on the act, download it, and keep it to yourself.
Sometimes I feel that these systems only work for the powerful people.
I understand your feeling, but it's not true. sometimes it may take some effort, it may take years, but we can't give up, right?
Right.
So many people have used this, the power which we get from the Constitution, in reclaiming their rights, using these laws, the mechanism to lead a better life. Hope you liked the video and learned something. And if you did, like, share, and leave your comment in the section below.
And to get such content, please do subscribe our channel also.